the nature documentary. Wow, it's so nice to be here today. Anyway, welcome back to another wildlife sanctuary video. Sorry if it's a bit dark. The sun is going down, but I see something in the a few meters away. There's something in there. Oh, it just made a weird sound. What's it do? Oh my god. It's weak. Oh, it's right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's right there. Guys. Look at this. I don't think it knows where I am. Look, guys. Is it there? Oh shoot, I think I hear it. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god. Oh shoot, it's coming for me. Oh god. Run, get back to the jeep. Get back to the jeep. Oh my god. After that scary encounter, we are coming back to you live with another odd animal. And it is able to camouflage so it looks like the same animal. But trust me, it is extremely different. And I think we are seeing one now. Let me just get down from this tree. There's a snake. Oh god, oh no! Okay guys, we are back. I might have got poisoned, but I'm fine. Don't worry. But we are seeing something rustling here. Very odd. Oh my god. What is that? Oh my god, what? Oh shoot, what is that? It's like a speedy Sonic. It's like, oh god, it's got the gun from earlier. God, I gotta hide. I have to hide. Okay, I'm hidden. I don't think he knows where I am. I don't know. I think he doesn't know where I am. Oh my god. I'm literally under like just a little log. Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, guys. It's literally right there. Oh, I think this is the end. I'm cornered.